Lord, forgive me if I sin. I'm trying to do right for my friends. And if I die in the end, then I'ma die for my friends. And I'ma say it again, I'm sorry if I sin, yeah. They was serving the fiends fiending while I was serving Jesus. Cross around my neck, yeah, you best believe it. I believe in the word, that's word to everything. God gave me a steady change, new view on everything. I'm even looking at where it rains, looking to find a wife type, a girl to make my life right, not just a pipe type. I'm interested in a new perspective. You don't respect it, then you pathetic. Cause I'm done with all the aggression. Fuck these new school cats who don't rap with any method. They class smash, they work ethic. They ain't got none, I'm still bumping Biggie and Pac, son. With a lot of punning, watch bum, scavenger, chumps, chains. Stuck in the passenger, dumb lanes. You done so much, Kane, you got a numb brain. Follow the word, recite the scripture. I'ma still hit the herb and I like the liquor. But God always walk with me. Through every valley, every alley, he be guarding me. Say with my soldiers, we are army. I just pray to God before I go, he wants me. Rather than them looking back at my friends, I take a bullet for everyone that ever kept it at a 10. And that's all 3. Lord, forgive me if I sin. I'm trying to do right for my friends. And if I die in the end, then I'ma die for my friends. And I'ma say it again, I'm sorry if I sin. Yeah, follow your boy 16 Atrocity on YouTube. Haven't been posting any views lately, but hopefully you guys get at me and everything. And I hope you like this video. Share it, comment, do whatever you want with it. But this is the new me, man. If you don't respect it, you cut. But go share this video. Bye.